Blue Star ACs come with a lot of useful features, but most people either don't know about them or never actually use them. And honestly, once you understand these properly, you'll start using your AC very differently. Hi, I am Pooja. I work with home appliances every day. ACs, TVs, washing machines, testing them hands-on in real Indian homes. And Blue Star ACs specifically have a lot of features that people just skip over. And one quick thing before we start. I am covering features across different Blue Star AC models currently available in India. Some of these might be specific to certain models. So let's start with the one feature that can genuinely save you money on electricity. And most people have it but never use it. 5-in-1 convertible cooling. Your Blue Star AC can run at different capacity levels from 40% all the way up to 110%. So think about it. If it's just you in the room at night, why run the AC at full capacity? Drop it to 40 or 60%. Less power, room stays comfortable. Full family in the living room on a hot afternoon? Push it higher. Here is the thing. People set their AC to 24 degrees and think that's enough. But combining 24 degrees with a lower capacity stage, that's where the real saving happens. You can switch between these modes directly from the remote. Two buttons on your remote that do completely opposite things, and both are useful. Turbo Cool. Press it and the AC runs at absolute maximum compressor and fan speed. Room cools down fast. Come home to a boiling hot room. This is what you press. Don't set 16 degrees and wait. But here's the thing. Don't leave turbo on for hours. It uses more power. Use it for quick cooling, then switch to normal. And the opposite, Eco mode. This reduces power consumption by optimizing the compressor speed. You still get cooling, just gentler. For mild evenings or when you don't need aggressive cooling, Eco mode can cut your electricity usage noticeably. Most people never press this button. Now this one is genuinely smart. AI Pro. Available on selected models. Here is how it works. The AC senses the ambient temperature outside and the conditions inside the room. Then it automatically adjusts the cooling and fan speed to give you maximum comfort. You don't set anything manually. The AC figures out the most efficient way to cool based on what's actually happening. So on a 45-degree May afternoon, it will cool aggressively. On a mild evening, it dials back. Over a full summer, the energy savings from this add up. If your Blue Star has AI Pro and you're still manually adjusting everything, you are doing it the hard way. Now here is something that directly affects your health and almost nobody uses it. Defrost technology on selected models. This is Blue Star's deep cleaning system. The AC frosts the indoor unit's coils and melts the accumulated ice and dries them using the indoor blower. The whole process takes about 30 to 35 minutes. That frosting and melting washes away dust, mold and bacteria from the coil. Think of it like getting your AC professionally cleaned from the inside for free. And then there is self-clean. This one is available on most models. After you turn off the AC, the blower runs at maximum speed to dry any moisture off the coils. This prevents mold growth, eliminates that musty smell and keeps the air cleaner. It runs automatically, just make sure it's enabled. Okay, this next one is a genuinely hidden gem. Dual user preference, available on selected models. You can save personalized cooling settings for two different users. So your preferred mode, temperature, fan speed and swing all saved under user 1. Your spouse preferences saved under user 2. One button press and it loads your exact setup. No more fighting over the remote, honestly. And paired with that, comfort sleep. In this mode, the AC gradually rises the temperature by about 1 degree over a predefined period to match the natural drop in night temperature. So you don't wake up freezing at 3 am, it adjusts on its own. Combine this with a hidden display. One press and the LED on the indoor unit goes dark. No light, no disturbance. Perfect sleep setup. If your Blue Star AC has Wi-Fi or if you have paid the 1700 for the Smart Ready upgrade, the Blue Star Smart app opens up a lot. Beyond basic on or off and temperature, here is what people miss. 12-hour sleep scheduling. You can set the fan speed and temperature for every single hour over a 12-hour period. Completely customized to how you sleep. Smart Scheduler. Set the AC to automatically switch on or off at your preferred times on a weekly basis. So AC on at 6 pm on weekdays, different timings on weekends, all automatic. And voice control works too. Amazon Alexa and Google Home. One important thing. Blue Star Smart Ready models don't come with Wi-Fi built in. You need to pay 1700 extra to get the Wi-Fi module installed. Check if your model is smart ready or already has Wi-Fi before expecting app features. So those are the features on your Blue Star AC that you should actually be using. I'm sure a few of these were completely new for you. I've got a full AC playlist where I've compared brands and shared the best ones budget-wise. I'll link it right here. And I've tagged the best recommended ACs in the description. Please check them out. If this helped, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It genuinely keeps ClearBuy going. Until then, don't just buy. ClearBuy. See you soon.